Oh, ano 'to, may pasahan dito 'no, ng rosas or may pag-accept dito 'no. But it looks like with the Ace of Roses energy, this is something here that just started. It could be a beginning here of something, okay? Parang nagkakaroon na kayo ng first impression about this person here, but it looks like this is you. You are not someone here na mabilis magtiwala, no? And it looks like, alam mo yung energy dito is that, you know, based on your experiences, nakaapekto yun, no? Sa kung paano ka ngayon makipag-deal sa mga energies around you, especially when it comes to your love life area. Let us see what's happening right here. And who is this person here connecting with you? But you know this is timeless, okay? Let us see. Pero nagkakaabutan dun ah. Nagkakaabutan ng rosas. Okay. Okay. Six of Flutes, and you also have here the Knight of Mirrors energy. Okay. Actually, Six of Flutes nabanggit ko, but this is the Eight of Flutes right here. It looks like there's something here related sa inyong past, no? Kung saan, mga babes, no? Meron kayong mga nagiging options, no? Pwedeng may mga naging ka-in relationship din kayo, pero hindi nag-work out. Yung nakita ko dito, no? They are appearing as the Knight of Mirrors energy. So, it looks like mga babes, no? Parang, hindi nila na-survive, no? Kapag may mga challenges na dumadating sa inyong relationship, no? They tend to move away. Sila mismo yung gumagawa ng paraan, no? To escape from your connection, no? Or from the connection, no? Na umpisa nyo pa lamang binubuo. So, parang wala talagang as in naging matibay na pundasyon. No? Yung iba, naghiwalay din after a year. Iba, naghiwalay din no, after 2 years, mga ganyan. No? Like, nag-end din ito. No? Hindi talaga ito yung matatawag mo na mga relationships that will last long, yung pang hanggang simbahan, hanggang pang altar. Wala tayong relihiyon dito, but you know, just take how this resonates, no? Pero nakita at pinakita sa akin dito, no, that with this meathead, no, and the self-elimination, these people, sila talaga yung sinukuan kayo. No? Hindi nila na-survive yung mga challenges na ito, no? Sa inyong mga naging relationships na with those people na nakakonect mo in a heart space level, like yung mga ex person no mo no mga ex or mga naging ex mo. Wow, we have the Two of Rings energy, Four of Flutes, and we have here the Spark. Yan, no? See? Okay. Iba posibleng nakilala nyo lang to, no? Last January 2025 lang, no? Last month lang, no? At yung iba naman bago pumasok yung January, no? Sa lubong. Yeah, now we have the Six of Flutes. Look at that, no? Ito na ang tunay na ka-Six of Flutes mo, no? So, you also have here the quality time, okay? Three of Roses energy. Bottom of the deck, we have the, okay, ITM right here, no? The cliffhanger and ooh, to be continued, no? Look at that. Okay? The Bachelorette, no? Wow. Yung iba basa doon, Bachelorette, no? So, bala kayo dyan. Basta yun na yun, you know. So, yun nga. Hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome here at sa ating mga returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At yun nga mga babes, wala po tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki. Lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung mga roles. And yun nga, okay. Wala rin po tayong time period, kaya naman posibleng ito ay nangyayari na at mangyayari pa lamang, no? And also, tandaan ninyo na malaya kayo, na may free will kayo kung gusto niyo i-claim yung mga mensahe at gawing guidance or not. But here, malinaw na malinaw, no, kagaya ng mga binanggit ko kanina, you've been with the people na too weak to handle yung relationship na gusto mo, yung unconditional love talaga, yung infinity and beyond talaga, yung pang forever na, no, na gusto ng nakararami, no. But, I do see that this is you. You got tired, no, by searching, people come and go, dumadating lang sila sa inyong life, umaalis din. Sila mismo yung umaalis sa or kumakalas sa inyong connection. So, napagod ka na doon, no? And now, posibleng may bago kayong kakilala, no? But sobrang close off nyo. Sobrang nag-create talaga kayo ng walls, no? Very high walls, no? So, nakita ko rito that you've created a very, very strong boundaries, no? Na kahit sino mahihirapan talaga, no? Na ito ay buwagin, no? Or ito ay, baragin, no? So, nakita ko rito na meron ditong energy, no? That with this Five of Flutes and the Four of Mirrors, beautiful energy. Okay. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no? Maaring, kahit na parang hindi pa kayo ganun kakilala, no? Hindi mo pa siya naririnigan ng salitang sorry. Yan, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no? Maaring hindi mo pa nakikita, no? Na itong person na to, no? Ay nagkamali sa'yo or hindi mo pa nawi-witness na itong tao ay hindi tumutupad sa mga nabanggit niya sa'yo. So it looks like you are receiving a lot of sorry words coming from your ex-lovers, no? At posibleng hindi rin nila yung tinatama at hindi rin nila ginagawa, no? Panay sorry lang, tapos ulit-ulit, and then, alam mo kasi yung salitang sorry kasi sinasabi lang kapag nakagawa ka ng hindi maganda or pagkakamali, no? Pero para ulit-ulitin mo na yun, may sakit ka na. Ayan, no? Sabi nga ni Angelica Panganiban, no? Dun sa kanilang movie together with Ding Dong Dantes. So, kasi naman tong energy na ito, mukhang hindi pa siya nariringgan ng sorry dahil hindi pa siya rito nakakagawa ng pagkakamali sa inyo. And take note, no? Hindi siya gagawa ng pagkakamali rito kaya hindi po uso sa kanyang vocabulary ang salitang sorry. Okay? Why is that? Because this person is appearing as your knight in shining armor, your princess riding a white horse. Meaning to say, LGBTQ of course, welcome din kayo. This is the one sent by the universe na para maging ka-final two mo. So nakikita ko rito na kahit na very close off ka sa kahit na sino, no, na dumadating dito sa iyong life, no, siya ang mismong babarag niya. Nakikita ko dito na hindi niya kayo susukuan, siya ito, no, na hindi mapapagod dito. May mga dumadating din, no, pero dahil masyado kang close off, they tend to walk away. So, meron ring mga nag-a-appear, nagtatangka, no, bilang new love, no, pero hindi nagtatagumpay because nahihirapan sila ritong makuha ang inyong atensyon. But this person here, is like binibigyan tayo ng assurance, no, na talagang hindi niya kayo susukuan, no. Like, talagang literal na aaraw-arawin niya rito yung pagpupursue sa inyo. So, this person here will not back out no matter what happened. That is why, kahit napakitaan mo pa siya rito ng pagiging masungit mo, ng pagiging suplado mo dito, no, kiber, no. So, walang effect, effect yun. No? So, nakikita ko rito nung papaisip ka talaga with this person na why is this person still nice sa akin? Why is this person still kind and thoughtful sa akin? Why is this person remains gentleman or gentlewoman sa akin despite ng lahat ng pagpapakita ko rito ng hindi ko pagpansin sa kanya, pagmamataray ko sa kanya, pagsusuplado ko sa kanya, pagdededma ko sa kanya? Why is this person keeps on coming back? Ano bang meron sa akin? You know? So, that is you. You will be like that. Four of Flutes energy. Like, kakaiba siya rito because, alam mo yung energy na parang pag may mga dumadating sa inyong life na they tend to, okay, eliminate themselves, no? Sila na mismo yung umaalis sa connection, no? So, hindi sila pumapasa, no? Sa mga challenges, no, na dumadating sa kanila or sa mga challenges na binibigay or ibinabato mo dito. And for some reason, you will feel that spark. That's why I mentioned with the Lover's card energy, no, the spark, no. Yung iba, posibleng nakilala nyo ito, no, bago pumasok yung Burr months last year. Yung iba, pwede rin naman na before mag-celebrate ng Christmas or holiday season, yan, no, and New Year's Eve, yan, possible. But others, you could have met this person here, January, others not yet, no. But this person is coming towards your direction, so you need to prepare here yourself, yan, no. Hindi naman kailangan magpaganda, mga babes, no, kahit magpulbos lang kayo. Carry na. Kasi siya naman talaga ang inyong the one. Kaya kahit na wala pa kayong makeup at kahit na mga babes na hindi pa kayo rito maligo, no, siya pa rin ang inyong the one. This person will love you for who you are. This person will accept you for who you are. And this person will create, a lot of butterflies, no. Wala pa ulit na taong nakapagbigay sa inyo ng kilig with the butterfly, 6 of fruits right here, no? At siya pa lang iyon. Because this person right here will give you this. Ito yung parang nakukulangan ka. Ito yung parang uhaw ka when it comes to love and attention. The quality time. Okay? And with the 6 of rings energy, I do see that this person right here, okay, will be generous dito. Okay? And this person with this, okay, kaya hindi ka nakakarinig ng sorry sa kanya at kaya hindi siya dito gumagawa ng kahit na anong ikaka-disappoint mo. Even just by not being late sa inyong usapan, sa inyong dates, sa inyong pagkikita, no, I will be there exactly 6 p.m. or wala pang 6 p.m. ando na siya. Diba? So, ganun. This person here always keeps his or her promise, no? Lahat. Okay? So, this person right here, dun na magsisimula na matanggal niya isa-isa, no? Yung pagiging close off, yung mga boundaries, yung mga matitibay, no? Na mga parang nailagay mo na harang, no? Para hindi basta-basta makapasok dito kahit na sino. This person will prove you na iba siya, 'di ba? Sa lahat, no? And I think with the next destination right here, this person will definitely, okay, mababarag niya yon at kayong dalawa ay magkakaroon ng mas close pa na connection, no? Ba? Close, tapos magiging closer kayo sa isa't isa. So, you will definitely accept that person's friendship, no? Or you will let that person here court you. Alam naman natin that the rose is a symbol of romance, is about to bloom. And it looks like sa lahat ng mga lumapit sa inyo, no, itong tao na to yung hindi umalis kahit na mahirap or difficult yung mga challenges na ikaw mismo yung nagbibigay or hindi ikaw yung nagbibigay pero mahirap, no, yung pinagdadaanan niya rito para makuha ang iyong atensyon, ang iyong loob. But it looks like you start to open up, no, yung pagiging poker face mo sa lahat ng mga nakakaharap mo dito ng mga individuals that want to get your attention, okay? Tumatawa ka na, ngumingiti ka na, no, you're laughing already, no, and you're talking. Dati, hi lang, one word, two words lang, no, sa sentences, no, but now, you are saying, no, a story to this person. So, I'm seeing you opening up with this person right here. So, I'm seeing you being single, being open with this friendship. And look at that. We have here the to be continued cliffhanger. See, look at that. See? From this friendship right here, I'm seeing you na dito binibigyan mo pa lang siya ng chance with that rose. Yan, no? Binibigyan mo pa lang siya ng chance with that rose. And look at this. To be continued going to this. Yan, no? See? You're now giving your heart to that person. You're now showing here, okay, the sweet side of you. You're now being gentle, more gentle. You're now more open, no? Mas open pa into this type of connection right here. Look at that. You're giving your heart to this person. So, I'm seeing that this person here will definitely win your heart at hindi na nakakapagtaka yan because he or she is the one. Okay? Maraming nagtangka, pero siya, nakita ko rito mga babes, no? Na magwawagi, no, with this Six of Flutes energy. So, yeah, this is you're the one, you know? Wow. So, definitely, I'm seeing someone here entering your life and others you could have met him or her already and the connection, no, is parang, alam mo yung energy na hindi niya kayo sinusukuan din. If you know someone, no, na despite sa lahat ng pinapakita mo, no, na parang feeling mo, natataboy mo na siya, or whatever, no, hindi pa rin siya umaalis-alis. Okay? Dahil this person here is the right one for you. So, lahat yung mga mensahe nakuha ko here for you guys. Again, I'm Yuriana Oni. Thank you so much. Sarang hey all of in light. Annyeong.